Now we are starting question number 8 of exercise 14.3 of your book 8. So what the question is saying, the diagram shows shape L, M, N and P. So this is a given figure from the question. L, M, N, P and Q on a coordinate grid. This is a coordinate grid and the figure L, M, N, P and Q, they are on the coordinate grid. They are asking write the column vector that translate N to shape L. This is shape N and we have translated N to L. So they are asking which column vector we have to use to translate N to the figure L. So just we need to select one of the point, like I am selecting this point of figure N. Now I have to see that how much this point and this point they have translated. So now I'm counting on the x-axis 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 boxes, right? And then 1 and 2. And 2 boxes in upward direction. It's mean N to L when we are doing the translation. So the column vector must be 4 times of x-axis and 2 times of your y-axis. So 4 is positive because we are moving on a right side and 2 is also positive because we are moving upside. So for this the column vector is 4 and 2. So now we are having the second question. B part N to shape P. This is N and N to P. We have to see that which column vector we are using. So I am removing it. Because we are now doing N and P. So this is N. This is N. And this one is P. Again I am selecting this point and this point. And now I have to move this point on our x-axis 1, 2 and 3. 3 times of right on the x-axis, then 1 and 2. 2 times on a downward direction on y-axis. So the column vector must be positive 3 and negative 2. So we can write in the option 3n minus 2. It will be 3 and minus 2 for B part. Then we have C part. In the C part, they are asking shape N to shape Q. So where is shape N? Shape N is still there and they are asking to the translation till the Q. So this is N and this is Q and we need to just find out the column vector N to Q. Again we have to remove all the working. So this is N. I am again selecting the same point and this is Q. So how much we are moving on the x-axis? We are not moving on the x-axis. So 0 times of x and then we are moving 1, 2 and 3 times in the downward direction. So it will be 0 and 3 because we are moving in the downward direction. So it would be 0 and minus 3. So N till Q translation by using the column vector is 0 and minus 3. So for C it is 0 and minus 3. Then we have D part N to the shape M. This is shape N. and we have to move n to m. This is m. Again we are just taking one of the point. This is m, n, and this is the point that we are dragging. We are trying that which column vector we are using. So this must be 1 and 2. How many times? 2 times we are dragging our point on our left side, 2 times on left, and how much we are dragging upside? We are dragging 1 time on upward direction. So it must be left means -2 and 1 time upward means 1. So n and m they are having column vector 2n -2n plus 1. Then we have E part. In the E part they are saying L to P. This is L and this is P. So we have to use the similar method over there. This is L and this is P. Now I'm again selecting this point and now I have to check how much this point is dragging. This point is here and we are dragging it 1 time on left side and then 1, 2, 3 and 4 times downward. 1 left, 4 down. So the column vector must be on the left side means -1 and downward direction -4. So for E part, we can say it will be -1 and -4. Now I am leaving the F part for you and then you need to find the answer of the last one by using the similar method. A, B, C, D and E we have done in this video. Now you have to try the F part, that what will be the column vector when P to shape M we have translated.